Hello friends, in this session I am going to discussing about another important rearrangement reaction, that is Smith rearrangement reaction. Now I give you a definition of this Smith rearrangement reaction, further reaction mechanism and its a few applications of this Smith rearrangement reaction. Now I give you a definition of this Smith rearrangement reaction. Simply, what is a Smith rearrangement reaction? Okay, I explained this Smith rearrangement reaction. What is Smith rearrangement reaction? Acids are converted into amines in the presence of acids, that is hydrochloric acid and sodium acid or hydrogens. Then it is known as Smith rearrangement reaction. Simply, acids are converted into amines in the presence of hydrogen or hydrochloric acid and sodium acid. Then this reaction is known as Smith rearrangement reaction. Now coming to reaction of this Smith rearrangement reaction. This is the reaction. Okay, this is carboxylic acid. Acids are converted into the amines in the presence of hydrogen or sodium acid or sulfuric acid. This is the reaction of this Smith rearrangement reaction. Initially, we can take carboxylic acid group, that is RCOOH, in the presence of acidic medium, that is sulfuric acid and sodium acid or hydrogen. Then it forms amines. Acids are converted into the amines. This is the reaction of Smith rearrangement reaction. This is the definition and this is the reaction. Please note down the definition and reaction. Next, I can explain about this mechanism of this Smith rearrangement reaction. Now, mechanism. In this mechanism, initially you can take carboxylic acid group, that is RC double bond OH. Okay, here this acid which is treated with acidic medium, then it forms this type of reaction OH2 is lost to ion. Here the water molecule is removed minus H2O. Then it forms a carbocation intermediate. Then it forms a carbocation. Then it forms a carbocation intermediate is formed. Here now this carbocation which is treated with this carbocation which is treated with hydrogen, that is H bond N triple bond N. Here minus charge, here plus charge. Now this minus charge directly react with this plus carbocation. Now it forms this type of reaction. Then this nitrogen gas is removed, N2 gas is removed here in this reaction, and N2 gas is removed. Now this type of reaction is formed. Now here this bond is migration here, that means this deprotonation takes place. Now it forms here this alkyl group attacking this minus charge, then it forms R bond N double bond C double bond O. Here this bond is migration here. This reaction which is hydrolysis takes place, undergoes hydrolysis takes place. Then it forms R bond N bond H bond C bond O bond H double bond O. this bond is migration here takes place, then this H can be attacked with this nitrogen. Here this bond is migration here. Here decarboxylation takes place. In this reaction decarboxylation takes place. Then it forms our required product amine is formed. Acid is converted into amine. Acid is converted to the amine. This reaction is known as Smith rearrangement reaction. This is the mechanism. You can clearly understand. Before initially you can take acid group, that is carboxylic acid group, which is treated with acidic medium. Then it forms this type of reaction. Then here in this reaction we remove water molecule, and here a carbocation is formed, and which is treated with a hydrogen, and this carbocation which is treated with hydrogen, and which is formed in this type of reaction. Now here in this reaction a nitrogen gas is removed and it forms this type of reaction. Here this bond is migration here, and alkyl group is attacking this minus charge, and it forms this type of reaction, and which is hydrolysis takes place, and it forms this type of reaction. And here this bond is migration here, and this bond is migration here, and this proton is attacking this nitrogen. Then it forms, and this reaction decarboxylation takes place, and it forms our required product, that is amine. Acids are converted into amines. This reaction is known as Smith rearrangement reaction. Now coming to a few applications of this Smith rearrangement reaction. Applications. In these applications, initially we can take, for example, this type of reaction, stereochemistry, stereochemistry. For example, H. This is the carboxylic acid group. This is the CH3, and this is the C2H5. For example, in the presence of hydrogen HN3 or sodium acid or sulfuric acid, then it forms here HN3. Then it forms only this acid group is only changed. Acid is converted into the amines. This is one of the example of. This is the one of the example or application of the Smith rearrangement reaction. Another rearrangement reaction, another application, that is benzene attached carboxylic acid group, hydrogen, then it forms amine group or aniline. Carboxylic acid group, it forms amine. Acids are converted to amines in the presence of hydrogen or sodium acid or sulfuric acid. These are the a few applications of the Smith rearrangement reaction. I hope we can understand this rearrangement reaction, that is Smith rearrangement reaction.